Hello PitchGrounders, let me ask you a question. Have you ever done YouTube SEO? There's a higher chance that you haven't, because when you hear the term SEO, you only get reminded of Google. Google, backlinks, on-page SEO, off-page SEO and all that stuff. But YouTube is equally important, and sometimes your YouTube videos rank on the top on Google itself. Yes, because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and if you're not doing YouTube SEO for your videos, then you're missing out on a lot, buddy, a lot. So if you're into digital marketing or SEO for that matter, you'll notice the first step to any SEO is the keyword research part. So exactly that's what I'm going to show you in today's video on PitchGround Daily. Are you a part of our insanely amazing Facebook community? If not, click the link in the description to join. We share value posts every single day under the hashtag PitchGroundDaily. So we'll be using a software known as Tubebuddy, because Tubebuddy I feel is one of the best softwares that every YouTuber must have in his pocket. It's a free software. You also have the paid versions, which just cost a mere $9 to $10 per month and gives you access to many useful features. If you're serious about your YouTube efforts, then you should install Tubebuddy extension right now from Google Chrome, or else log on to tubebuddy.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. So I'm going to be quickly switching to my computer screen right here, and make sure you follow along because this is going to be a really actionable video. So this is the Tubebuddy extension page. You can log on to tubebuddy.com. The link is in the description. So it's a free browser and extension that integrates with YouTube. And once you install this extension, you'll be presented with a green box message like you have successfully installed the Tubebuddy extension. That's great. Now you need to go access your channel's dashboard, which looks like this. Yes, this is the YouTube New Studio Beta dashboard. And as you can see on the top right corner, there's a Tubebuddy icon that is integrated seamlessly into your dashboard. You need to click that. Once you click that, don't pay attention to any of these options as of now. Click on the Keyword Explorer under the extension tools. Once you click on the Keyword Explorer, you will be presented with this. So let's say yours is a tutorial channel and you want to search for a term like Rubik's Cube. Let's say you want to solve a Rubik's Cube. So you want to enter Rubik's Cube here. As you can see, the Rubik's Cube keyword summary has an overall score that is poor. But you can see the video topics tab here on the right. When you click that, there are many like related keywords that are shown here. You can say how Rubik's Cube solved. As you can see, we just went from like poor to very good score. Now, as you can see, video searches, how to solve Rubik's Cube in Hindi, how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and so many. Now, this is how you do a keyword research for YouTube. Now you know what people are searching, what web searches you're getting for it, and how like different video topics that you can make on the same Rubik's Cube keyword. Let's take another example. Let's search for content. Let's search for, let's say, digital marketing. Digital marketing is overall a poor keyword. Let's see the video topics again. How to digital marketing for small business. As you can see, you went from poor to fair. You can actually go from poor to fair again, and then you can like optimize your keywords like this. This is a fair keyword. How to do digital marketing for beginners. Yes, as you can see, we went from fair to very good. And then this is how you improve on YouTube, by optimizing for the right keywords so that you are presented with more searches. You're presented on more searches. People click more of your videos. People watch more of your videos. And this individual score, as you can see, which is 68 out of 100, is presented to you, is unique to you. and it might be unique to different channels as well, because it optimizes based on your own channel and your own past videos. So TubeBuddy is really an intelligent extension like this. As you can see, I'm using the free version, and with free version itself, I'm able to get the very good quality score. And I can also see the trending stuff and all that, because I'm not able to see right now because I'm using the free version. I want you to check the paid version by clicking on upgrade now, and you can sign in and you can go to the pricing, which costs like $9 per month, which is really good. I feel like this is the best plan if you want to get started with even more insights as of now. So leave a comment below if you found this video useful. Because it's simple, I want you to implement this keyword strategy on your YouTube channel and let me know personally in the comments, and I will look at your channel. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.